Welcome back mga kapuso, nagtanaw gihapon kamo sa GMA Regional TV Live. Saluduhan ta ug hinaut nga madasig ta ni istorya sa kadaugan ni student achiever Garbo sa Sugbo.
Matag medalya ug pasidungog nga iuli ug maangkon ining usa ka tinun-ang gikan sa Sugbo, garbo ug dungog usab ang iyang gidala. Siya si Kiersten Sy, grade 8 student sa Cebu City National Science High School. Giila sa Department of Education Region 7 ang iyang kadaugan sa mga managlahing international academic competitions. Ato siyang ibida ug sayra ng iyang study tips karong buntaga.
Alang sa tumakabatan-unan karong buntaga hinaut ma-inspire ta siyang istorya makauban nato karon sa programa Kiersten Sy. Maayong buntag. Casey, kumusta ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello Sir Nico. Hello everyone. Maayong buntag. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Ay nung murag nag-uniform na rabakang daan kay doon na may klase, no? Casey, impressive kayo ang imong mga achievements sa eskwelahan. Unsa kuno'y sikreto? How do you maintain your grades, Casey? O unsa mga study habits nimo?
To be honest, it is very hard to maintain because like people will expect too much of me because I join competitions like that, and my study way lang is that I try to understand lang the whole thing. I write usually just to memorize like that. Yeah.
Wow, hinaot nga makuhanig tips sa atong mga estudyante nga nagtan-aw, no? Sa mga competitions nga imong naapilan daghan-daghan naman dire og sa abroad, no? Unsa may at least 3 nga unforgettable para nimo nga imong na-joinan?
The unforgettable was the International Talents Mathematics competition that was held in Bangkok, Thailand. And I went with my dad. It was a math competition. And it was my very first competition na international.
Wow.
The second was it was a global English competition. And it was held in Bali, Indonesia just recently, and it was new to me because it was English, and most of the time I join math and science, right? Okay. And last was the most recent, which was the Philippine Math and Science Olympiad, which was held in Boracay, and it was a very nice experience to go to these places. I got to meet the Olympiad team and also meet the organizers.
Kuryoso lang mi Casey, unsa may imong mga preparations before going to a competition?
I don't panic. I relax. I pray to God, and I don't want to like pressure myself. My parents always tell me that either I win or I lose, then it's okay, no pressure. But then sometimes I have to like pressure myself because I want to prove something to a teacher who tells me that I'm not that good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ano motivation nimo?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you share to us, Casey, science fact kuno nga kana makaingon ta nga dili kayo familiar, di kayo aware atong mga viewers?
Well, I think that like the greatest distance of the planet to the sun is called an aphelion. And it basically means like in like the celestial body of that is the farthest to the sun, and if you actually like if you look at the sun like that, when it reaches the aphelion, then the sun actually looks small. Yeah.
It's interesting ha, ko kay padungog karon ko kadungog anan giingon nimo sa kaning tanan nga mga achievements nimo. Padayon man gyud gihapon ka nga may carve og name for yourself. Of course, sa school pod ka kinsa man nimo gina-dedicate ni ang imong kalampusan, Casey?
I dedicate it to my parents because they have supported me since the start talaga. And I also dedicate all my achievements to my friends, my teachers, my classmates, and my school for the support that they have given me. And I inspired talaga by my parents, especially my mom, because like as in the future I want to become like her. Yeah.
Very nice. And we're seeing your mom nalang off cam lang karon. Thank you so much, Mami. Casey, just to close this, message lang nimo unsa may tips or advice mahatag nimo briefly sa atong mga kapuso viewers?
always stay positive, and if you have problems, then don't panic, don't stress yourself. It's like math, that there's always a problem, and then you have to keep going and going until you get the right answer. You're already okay with the problem, and always pray to God, and do not panic when it comes to this stuff. Try new things, and that's all.
Wow. Thank you so much, Casey, for joining us this morning. Og padayon sa imong pag-excel sa eskwelahan. Good luck o congratulations nimo